Hi guys, this is how to change Instagram story visibility from close friends to everyone. Let's go. So let's open the Instagram application and post a new story. Tap on the plus icon at the bottom panel, switch to the story tab. Now let's switch to gallery, select a video or photo. Let's post this video. Tap on OK if you see this window. Now tap on done and share the story to your close friends, indicated by this green circle around your profile. And unfortunately, guys, Instagram doesn't allow to change the audience to public from close friends directly. And some ways to get in around are, for example, open the story, tap on this star at the top right, and add your other followers to the close friends list. If you have a lot of followers, it can be bothering. Once you finish, tap on done. And the other way is just to tap on more here, delete this story, delete. And now close this window and now post the same content but switch the privacy to public. Once again, done, your story. And that's pretty it, guys. I hope this was helpful. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and be awesome. Bye.